नीलगिरी का टेम्पो हाई है.
It was so special that I spent 7 years there.
कारा की जय हो.
नीलगिरी is always the best. Our slogan was Neel best. आपने एक दिल की तार छेड़ दी.
Lots and lots of fun there. Lovely time here.
I mean, seriously, I have to tell you why Kailash was special.
कुमाऊं is the best because हम शेर हैं हमारा कुमाऊं, हमसे कौन पार पाएगा, दिल है बड़ा प्यार से भरा दुनिया को जीत जाएगा.
I think what makes it special is phenomenal bonding. It's one of that hostel that at least taught me how to relax and not be always hyper aggressive about various things. And I think the kind of bonds that one has formed since then has been just life changing and worth cherishing for the rest of the life as well.
The place where brain and beauty was visible everywhere you went. Kailash was a very, very thriving place where, you know, while people were studying all the time, I think one very unique thing about Kailash was that we had a mix of students from undergrad, postgrad, PhD, everyone in the same hostel. I think the biggest thing was we were a bunch that really struggled and really thrived in spite of all the struggles that we had. So we were a bunch of very gusty women and who've done so well, and it's such a pleasure to be connected again.
Nilgiri has the best curricular and the best fun hostel. We won all the trophies of the IITs, so Nilgiri is the best. जब IIT आप join करते हो, तो you spend more time in your hostel than in your classes, right? So hostel के जो 4 साल होते हैं, those are the most, I would say, binding days. Those are the days when you get connected the most with your batchmates, with your seniors, with your juniors. I think Aravali hostel का काफ़ी specialities हैं. Aravali hostel obviously, other than the fact that हमारे time पे भी काफ़ी एंथू तो हाई रहता ही था, और हमारा इनफैक्ट टैगलाइन भी था, आरा का एंथू हाई है. तो वो एक्चुअली बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. वो हमेशा सीनियर बैचेस में भी देखा, जूनियर में भी देखा कि आरा का जो टेम्पो हमेशा हाई रहता था.
मुझे ये लगता है कि अरावली ऐसी कल्चर मैंने कहीं देखी नहीं थी. हमने घंटों बिताए हैं, नाइट आउट मारे हैं, बालकनी में बैठे, उसके बालकनी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती थी हमारे टाइम में थी, तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ रातें बिताई. आई थिंक दोज वर काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड्स दैट आई कैरी फ्रॉम अरावली. And I think we were not political at all. I think उस सेंस में हम लोग केवल मस्त टाइप के लोग थे बहुत नो जमाने.
Some of my best friends are from Nilgiri. I still make it a point to actually meet them once a year. So Das, KD, Mayo, Saxena, Jindal, if you're listening, this is Hitesh. We had our best times at Nilgiri. It was a great hostel. We had a great time. It was next to the Search shop. Nilgiri won almost every tournament. We were the best by far.
जो पहली मेमोरी है मेरी हॉस्टल की, वो ऐसी है कि हम वहाँ पहुँचे और एक सीनियर्स के ग्रुप के साथ टकरा गए. And that association from that day onwards till today is still going strong. I'm more attached to that group than even my own batch in a way. And not only that, it was out of that group we started as entrepreneurs, as friends, as family members now. It's a wonderful time we had.
Kailash, yeah, I mean, that was the, of course, everyone is going to say friends, but I think there's something so special and magical about female friendships. And these are the friendships that I think make you and shape you, like you actually become a smarter, braver, wiser, more accountable person because of these strong female friendships. And I think for me, that was Kailash. I still have some of my closest friends from Kailash. The wing was the most special place throughout the college. That was home away from home. And that rich wealth of female friendships, that's what makes Kailash special.
I was in Jwalamukhi, we call it Jwala. Lots of memory. First, because I think we've treated IIT Delhi as our second home. Especially for me, when I came from very small town and never gone out of my town, which is so I see hostel as my home. and I see all the people who are living there as a family.
Yeah.
And we have a lots of fun. I think all the friends, batchmates, seniors, juniors.
Karakoram Hostel. Now, what can be said about Kara? Well, while we were there between 80 and 85, I think it had spawned most of the best actors that the Institute had ever seen. We did plays every, I think it was 2 years in a row or 3 years in a row that we won the best actor, we won the best play. We had most of the participants in the Institute plays, one of the best. But I think the most important part is that I had a big role in getting as 80205 to be known as what it is that life in IIT is all about. So Kara has a number of firsts, and I think Kara will always have things that will always be remembered. Remember that we sort of have a long way to go. It's been years since that hostel got set up, so let's do our best to make it bigger, better, and maybe the best in years to come.